everyone, welcome to Class 12 Business Studies. So far we have learned the meaning and nature of principles of management, importance of management principles, Fayol's 14 principles of management, Taylor's principles and techniques of scientific management, and in this session we are going to study the distinction between views of Fayol and Taylor, or you can say Fayol versus Taylor, a comparison. We have already discussed in our previous videos about the 14 principles of management developed by Henry Fayol and scientific principles and techniques of management given by Frederick Winslow Taylor. So, in today's Principles of Management chapter, our last topic is comparison between Henry Fayol and Frederick Winslow Taylor. So, let's start with our session. There are 6 bases of difference between Henry Fayol and F.W. Taylor. So, let's discuss each basis of difference one by one. Our first basis of difference is perspective. Henry Fayol's principles are basically focused on top level management. His principles are applicable or related to higher level of management, whereas F.W. Taylor's principles are applicable to shop floor level of a factory, a manufacturing area where production or assembling activities are performed by the workers. His principles are related to factory level. Second dissimilarity is on the basis of applicability. Henry Fayol's principles are universally applicable. These principles can be applied to any kind of organizations, whether it is profit or non-profit organizations, small or large, manufacturing or service sector, private or government organizations, etc. On the other side, F.W. Taylor's principles can be applied only to specialized factory situations. His principles and techniques are restricted to only manufacturing or production activities. Next, we have focus. Henry Fayol's principles are focused on achieving overall efficiency or improvement in administration or management, whereas F.W. Taylor's principle and techniques of scientific management are concentrated on boosting productivity or maximizing productivity and minimizing the cost, minimizing wastages, using standardization and simplification of work technique. Till now, we have finished 3 differences, that is perspective, applicability and focus, between Henry Fayol and F.W. Taylor. Now, our fourth difference is basis of formation. Henry Fayol developed general principles of management through his personal experience. His principles are evolved through his own management experience, and later he published his experience in his book called General and Industrial Administration. Whereas F.W. Taylor's scientific principles and techniques of management are formulated by observation and experimentation. Next is status difference. Henry Fayol is regarded as father of general and modern management, whereas F.W. Taylor is acknowledged as father of scientific management because of their significant contributions in the field of management. Our last and sixth basis of distinction between Henry Fayol and F.W. Taylor is one is a practitioner and other one is a scientist. Now we have successfully completed our second chapter, Principles of Management. Thank you everyone for watching the videos.